Cleanliness and hygiene is a first line of defense against evolving public health threats. 17 years ago, when we were battling SARS, we instituted regular spring cleaning of our hawker centres to safeguard environmental hygiene and curb the spread of such diseases. Last month, in response to COVID-19, we launched the SG Clean campaign to rally Singaporeans to keep Singapore clean and to safeguard public health. At the individual level, we call on Singaporeans to practice good personal hygiene and social responsibility through the 7 habits of good public hygiene. Concurrently, NEA is working with government agencies and business premises to step up public hygiene standards. We want our hawker centres, public transport nodes, schools, retail malls, shops and various premises to receive the SG Clean quality mark. SG Clean seeks to turn the current crisis into an opportunity by uplifting the standards of public hygiene and sustaining them. It is to be a whole-of-nation movement to instill a national keep clean culture for the long term beyond the battle with COVID-19. We will need to shift from the current top-down compliance-focused approach towards a more collective approach, where all stakeholders take accountability and ownership to proactively achieve high standards of cleanliness in Singapore. To catalyze this transformation, we will amend the Environmental Public Health Act, or EPHA, to introduce mandatory baseline cleaning standards later this year. These standards will comprise a regime for proactive and thorough cleaning, as well as disinfection at prescribed frequencies. These will include the oft-neglected back-of-house areas, such as bin centres. As part of the EPHA amendment, we will place greater accountability on premises managers for the cleanliness of their premises. They will be required to appoint a designated person to assist them to develop an environmental sanitation program and advise on measures to remedy any lapses. We will be mindful to calibrate the standards to minimize compliance costs. We will work with sectoral leads to progressively implement the new requirements from 2021, starting with higher-risk premises with high footfall, with immuno-vulnerable occupants, such as childcare centres, schools, eldercare facilities, and hawker centres. We do not know how long COVID-19 will last. We are entering a new situation, a new normal, where enhanced personal hygiene habits and social responsibility will have to be an integral part of our lives. Let us work together to make SG Clean our new way of life.